Hi, good morning. Thank you for choosing Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. My name's Andrew. How can I help you plan your Royal Cruise vacation today?
Royal Caribbean Cruise Line has been around over 40 years. We're the second largest cruise company in the world. We host over 5.1 million guests per year. So we actually are a global organization with over 70,000 employees, both land and at sea.
I could pipe it out to Zen Server to report on the running service metrics.
Forthright is an architectural and engineering IT firm that specializes in mission-critical infrastructure. We're able to be successful at this because we're leveraging 24 years of experience in the industry and a 20-year partnership with Citrix.
So just recently with Forthright, we actually engaged on how to be able to reach our customers around the world.
Royal Caribbean wanted to be able to scale up and down at will, so they had the agility to deal with the business demands. The challenge that Royal had and that Forthright had to solve was that their strategy was to roll out infrastructure everywhere.
Zen Desktop played a role when we started getting to the end devices.
Forthright, they helped us innovate and consolidate with the Citrix technology in 2 major data centers that we have here. And now we are able to have the exact same reliability, performance, and availability. So our call centers can actually take the calls, use the information to provide inventory for our ships.
Well, they now have a robust environment that is consistent across all their call centers. They have an environment that is highly resilient. So when there are problems with technology, instead of you going down for hours, you might have a blip and you get automatically rerouted.
So if a call center in Guatemala is ramping up and the call center in Springfield, Oregon is ramping down, it's a zero impact to us.
So Citrix has enabled us to actually be able to expand around the world and actually be able to have call centers anywhere.
On behalf of Royal Caribbean, welcome aboard, and I hope you guys have a royal fantastic day.
So the ships are like floating cities with their own redundant data centers. And the Royal Caribbean staff on those ships are focused on interacting with those customers every day. Through the use of technology, they now have access to information that they didn't prior.
And the personal touch is key, and that it all comes down to data. To record the information that starts in the call center and follows all the way through the port from an inventory standpoint and putting on the ship what's necessary to coordinating events on the ship.
We receive all this information much in advance. So each and every department who's going to cater to all your needs actually knows what you need.
The guest experience is really what we strive for. They expect a lot from Royal Caribbean, and we need to make sure that all the product that is needed, all the marine parts that are needed are on the vessel so that that experience is the best it can be.
All these things cater to the end result, which is, putting the lobster on the table for the guest that night. And those tools, coupled with Citrix, it really makes a difference.
All of this is about data points and making sure that it's accurate to ships that are literally floating around the global oceans.
I think it's a revolutionary time. Never before have organizations like Royal Caribbean had the ability via technology to deliver the information, the data, the apps to their employees just in time as they need it, as they're interfacing with customers.
I think the use of Citrix technology delivered with Forthright was a catalyst to providing additional innovation for Royal Caribbean as an organization, because it empowered them to be more agile.
Our goal for Royal Caribbean is actually the guest satisfaction. We want you to have an ultimate cruise experience. In order for us to do that ultimate cruise experience, we have to be able to provide the right technology to be able to get the information when you're ready to book the cruise, all the way to when you finish your cruise. That's what our motto is, delivering that wow. We want to see that wow.